Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your document to PDF in Google Sheets mobile app. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open my Google Sheets application in my mobile phone and I'm going to choose one of my files in this Google Sheets. I'm going to choose this file for example. And then if we want to convert our Google Sheets document to PDF, we can click on the three dots on the top right. And we have to choose where it says share and export. Okay, and you have to select save as. And since we want to convert our file to PDF document, we can select PDF document and then you can click on OK. Alright, and just hold on. Okay, and as you can see guys that now this Google Sheets document has been converted to PDF file. Alright guys, and that's all the way to convert our document to PDF in Google Sheets mobile app. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.